Well,
What are you doing?
getting more bread for him because he likes my sauce.
For who?
For George, my brother. Now you know I'm not to use a different fork.
Yeah, he knows that. She, sorry.
You want to look at my hamburger? Yeah, you want to look at my hamburger. Actually, you don't kind of one. You don't kind of one. You don't kind of one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sit down.
What do you say, George?
Thanks. This is hotter.
It's hotter.
It's smoking. I have,
How do you make your sauce, Mary?
first you whip that off, mix my water. First we use water.
Oil.
First we use oil, then we put the onions and the peppers. And then we mix that a little bit with the oil. And then we put the sauce in and then
The paste.
the paste in, and we mix it, and then we take the tomato sauce and that, and we put it in, and then we take the tomatoes and crush it, and then afterwards we put these in it, and then we'll put pepper in it, and then sugar and salt. And then we mix it together, and if it bubbles, we'll mix it, and that's basically all. And then we have to make the noodles and pour it into the sauce and mix it.
But what else in the oven?
Sausage, which my mom made.
Okay, but you made the sauce all by yourself.
Yep.
And it came out.
Good. Basically, my dad didn't try it, so I don't know if he liked it or not.
It's good.
Okay, George saying it's good, it's good. Say bye, Facebookers.
Bye, Facebookers who love my mom and me cooking. I should come to your house and cook for you if you want.
Oh, now she's available to come to your house and cook for you.
I'm just joking. I'm not going to do that. I don't know you. Take that part out. Sorry about my brother. He's bad.
I ain't bad.